Hello, welcome to PHAME's online YouTube tutorial series. PHAME is a fine art and performing art academy serving adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities. We are based in Portland, Oregon, and we're very happy that you found us online. So remember, these classes are for everybody, all abilities, all skill level, and this one, Everybody Dance, I will be your teacher, Michael Galen, and you will first need to make sure that you have enough room wherever you are to be able to put your arms out straight, side to side, and to be able to take about 2 steps in any direction. Beyond that, feel free to modify the movement as you need or as you would like for your body, whether that means sitting and making adjustments to do it while seated, or only doing it part of the way instead of the full movement. So do what feels best for your body. Please feel free to pause the video if you would like to go a little slower, to repeat something, or to get some water. All right, thank you very much. Again, my name is Michael Galen. This is Everybody Dance. Hey, what's up, PHAME Academy? So today I'm gonna do something a little different. Instead of doing the normal full body grooves and warm-ups that we do, I'm gonna focus more on shapes with the arms and the wrists, all right? And to do this, we're gonna use a style called Tutting, named from King Tut. He did not invent it, but it was inspired by hieroglyphics, and this is a style that is under the hip-hop umbrella, under the popping umbrella, so taking it back to the 80s. So to do this, you can be seated, you can be standing, take it at your own pace. First, we're just gonna warm up our arms, shoulders, and wrists, since that's mostly what we will be using, and we'll do that with some music. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll our wrists like this. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 rolls down here, 8 rolls here, 8 rolls here, 8 rolls here. This will be to the music. 8 rolls up here, and 8 rolls forward. Then we'll do it again, so we're circling out. We're gonna do it again, circling the other way. So 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And then we'll do some stretches, boom, 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 and I'll give you the next part. So here we go on the beat. So 5, 6, 7, 8 rolls, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 diagonal to the side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, diagonal, and up. Whoop, too tall. And forward. Ooh, you might be feeling tight in your forearms. That's okay. Other direction. 8 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa. And switch. 5, 6. And switch. And switch. And switch. Reach as high as you can with your body. And forward reach. Woo. Wow. Feeling that. Pull the fingers back. Check it out. Other side. All right, shake it out, shake it out. Turn it over. Other side. All right. You massage your arm. Roll some nuts. Change direction. Our shoulders. 1, 2. elbows. 3, 4. Full arms, slow. We go 1, 2, 5. Last one. Shoulders forward. 1, 2. Elbows. Full arm. Extend. 2, 3. Boom. Boom. Reaching out. Nice. Good. Push. Other side. That side. Upside down. That side. Shoot. All right, shake it out. All right, last thing, we do elbow circles. So 1, 2. Reverse. And switch. And switch. Ooh, feeling those shoulders. Yes. All right, relax those shoulders. All right, now let's go this way. So we're gonna start this arm in, out. Double time. Yeah. Other side. 1, 2, 2. Alright, shake it out. I'm just playing. So, first part first, we're going to do our wrist boxes. All right, so there's 4 boxes. How many boxes? 4. And we're gonna start, they look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 1, 2. This is not a box. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this though, prayer position, our hands together, palms together, this is our starting place. So for all these tuts, we want this angle in our wrist to make the box. The knuckles, the fingers, should not be bent. So as best as you can, lift that wrist and relax. I can't lift it totally straight. Everyone's got a different angle. So just do what you can. It'll still look good like a box. So here's our first position. Haha. Second position is we're just going to, so note, this hand did not move. It's still on my zipper. Second hand, the fingers are still connected. Boom. And the elbow just comes under the wrist. So it's under the wrist. My knuckles, they're not bent like this. Straighten that out, just the wrist. So hopefully you can see yourself in your own camera or a mirror. So from here, let's try the other side. Now this hand stays the same. This one bends the wrist. So the fingers are still connected. That's our box. That's our point for the box. Boom, pa. Boom, pa. Boom, pa. Remember the knuckles? Try not to bend them. Try as best to keep them straight and just relax. Let your wrist flop. Fingers are together. We're not like this. Fingers are together. So those are our first 2 boxes. If we box on both arms, boom. Now we got this big square. So let's try that. Boom. Other side. Prayer, prayer. Box, box. Prayer, prayer. All right, shake it out. So now we're going to go from our prayer to our box. Now we're going to get to the next box part outside the body. So this hand right here, the zipper hand that's in the middle wall of our boxes, is just going to push away. So if there's something here, someone here, we're just pushing it away. At the same time, this hand, it was here, is going to flip the wrist over so we can carry a pizza. All right, so you got a pizza on top, your palms facing up. This hand, push away. So there's our box. So we got pizza arm, push away arm. So let's bring it prayer, box, push them away, pizza, new box. Reverse, so flip the wrist, bring it back to prayer, prayer both hands. So lift the wrist, push away, flip the wrist, reverse. Flip the wrist, pull it back, boom. Let's try the other side. So prayer, boom, push away, flip the wrist. Remember, if you ever forget, start with this side. Sometimes it's easier to start holding the pizza. Take this arm and just push away. Boom. Oh, there's the box. Fingertips are close together. Palm up, palm out. Now this style called tutting takes a lot of looking in a mirror to practice to make sure your angles, your shapes look like a box. You're not like this, you're not like this. All right? Sometimes we forget, we think we make a box, but we're not making a box. So really, I've had to do this, look in a mirror. Okay, how's my shape? Is that where a box is? Okay, it's close enough for my body, for what it looks like. It's not perfect, but it looks good. Push it out. Boom, box. So 1, 2, 3. This is the third step, but it's not a box. Boom, there's our actual third box. 4th. Let's try it again. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. All right, let's do a little bit to music, and then we will be done for today's lesson. So boom, let's just go here first. So box, box, before we go out. 6, 7, 8, we go. Box, box, prayer, prayer, box, box, prayer. 2 more times. Boom, 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 boom. All right, now we're gonna move it out. So we'll go box, push, flip, boom. Other side, boom, boom. So let's go. We'll go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 to prayer. Boom. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 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 All right. That's all the time we have for today. It's been fun working with you during quarantine. Stay smiling when you're dancing. When you're not dancing, hopefully you got some other activities you can do. You can stay connected with Zoom. I'll see you on the next lesson.